Hey Hub Heroes, this is Jorge Fuentes from the Sidekick Strategies team, and today we're going to take a look at how to add a file to a marketing email within HubSpot. Check it out. All right, so we're going to log into HubSpot, and on the left hand side we're going to go onto the marketing section. So on the left hand side, marketing right here with this icon, and then go to email. Once I'm inside email, I already have my draft marketing email, right? So in this case, I'm just going to choose that one. So I'm just going to click on the title of it, right? And it will open up the email editor for me, right? So in this case, the way we would want to add a file to a marketing email is not the same way in which we would add it to a one-to-one or sales email, so to speak, right? So in this case, we need to do it via a button, just because if we don't do it that way, we actually risk our marketing emails landing in spam, right? So we don't want that, right? So let's actually go ahead and do that. So I'll show you first. So we actually will grab the button over here on the left hand side. We'll add a quick button here, and I'm just gonna edit this button and say, download, guide or something like that. And then definitely now where this comes into fruition is that we'll click on link to, right, and then choose file download instead of a link, right? And so now do know that there's two things we can do here. We can upload a file from scratch and then choose that one, or we can browse the files in case we already have our file uploaded into the files manager within HubSpot. Right now I'm just going to choose to browse a file, and I'm actually going to look for maybe a PDF if I do have one. So let's actually choose this one, and then that'll be pretty much it, right? So now what will happen is that when this email is sent, and we'll just take a quick look at a preview here on the top right hand corner. We'll preview this quick email, and then you'll notice that if I scroll all the way down and click on the download guide button, the PDF comes up, right? So I didn't have to do any attachments. I actually just included that button, and then automatically appended this PDF into that email. And that is pretty much all that we need to do and basically know in order for us to attach a PDF file to a HubSpot marketing email. And that's pretty much it. So now you're well on your way to be able to add attachments to your marketing emails with a very simple yet effective button added to that marketing email. Remember, education is great, but the execution is where it's at. So go out there and be the hub hero that your organization needs today.